So how to put stop loss for a delivery shares and how to put a stop loss for options? That is a very important questions our students have asked. So very simple. If you want to put stop loss for delivery shares, go to portfolio. No shares will be hidden inside portfolio. Just click here. So this is a Divyani. Just click on sell. So click on this advanced trade. Very important advanced trade. Click here stop loss. Let's say yesterday close was or yesterday low was 118. So you want to put stop loss as 118 now. If you want to put a stop loss as 118, you keep trigger price has little bigger than the limit price. So this is a price, whatever you are seeing now, this price, that is a price actual, that is a back break, and trigger price is a front break. So this becomes two breaks in a system. First we need to put a trigger price always little higher than the price. So price should be little lesser than the this one. So what is the meaning of trigger price? As soon as the market comes to 118.5, the stop loss will start working. So and once it comes to 118, your stop loss will get hit. Just click on sell, confirm sell. It will be waiting in the pending. So it will be the order will be in this pending list. Once it comes to that level, the stop loss will get triggered. Very simple how to put stop loss. Now how to put a stop loss for options? So click here, just put on this stop loss. Can you see at the bottom? Click on this stop loss. Again front break, rear break. Let's say I want to put a stop loss as 52.5 or 52. So put as 52 at the bottom, price, and 52.5 is a trigger price. See, market will not trigger at 52.5, it will trigger at 50. So as soon as it hits 52.5, the stop loss will get activated. So the trigger price is one price where stop loss will get alert. Your system will get alert once it touches 52.5, and once it reaches 52, stop loss will be triggered. So trigger price is like a front break and price is the back break. We need to apply both these things very much. Click on sell, that's it. This is how we can apply for stop loss for delivery shares and options. Next, how to buy futures, sir? Very simple. Just type Nifty, sir. So Nifty will come. See anything with a date. Can you see this date? So already it's added. I'll just take a new this one. So Nifty, just click on Nifty. Can you see those dates? Anything which is mentioned with a expiry date, that itself is a futures or options. See, expiry date is given only for futures and options, not for delivery trading. Anything with a date, no, that itself is a futures or options. So now 20th October, see this itself is a futures, they are mentioned clearly. Click on this futures, click here, click on buy one lot. See, one lot of futures requires 1,09,000. See, limit and market. See, limit price means the price at which you give. So the if market comes to that price, market will your order will be placed. Market means you are immediately buying at market price. So if you want to do intraday or a quick trading, market price is the best. Never ever use limit price because you will waste lot of time. The price comes to that point, you will be waiting, especially beginners. So you don't know where is pending. So all these issues will happen. So the limit order is very best if you are like, let's say you want to place it at, you don't want to buy it at 18,138. You want to buy it at 18,130. So you are negotiating. So you are not ready to buy at 18,138. You are trying to buy at 18,130. So you just click here, click on buy. So once the Nifty comes to 18,130, it will be bought. If doesn't come to 18,130, then you will never buy that Nifty futures. If it straight away goes up, this is the disadvantage of limit order. So next, sir, how to buy options? Very simple. Just click here Nifty and which is the nearest petrol bunk or a bus stop or a metro station to the market. See, market is at 18,114. It's clearly visible here, no? So clearly visible. So which is the nearest petrol bunk to us? So nearest petrol bunk is 18,100. Just type 18,100. Nifty space 18,100. This is very important. If you want to trade in Bank Nifty, just type Bank Nifty 40,300 call option. So there is no need to type CEP also. It is automatically coming. But you need to make sure you are trying to buy call option. CE is the call option. Now it is added. Can you see? So 28th October CE 18100 is trading at 164. Click here, click on buy. Quantity you want to buy 1 lot, 2 lots or 100 lots, it's your wish. Click on buy and place it at market order and just carry forward always. See, never ever do intraday options, never ever do intraday futures. Never click on the button called intraday in your life. You will become successful in stock market. So always carry forward, or whatever we call it. Some brokers have something called margin, some brokers have a normal. So always click on carry forward button, never ever click on intraday button. So especially for futures or options, I'm telling. So now confirm buy. So this is the way we can buy futures and options, and this is the way we can put stop loss in the market. Thank you.